In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Amex Send on Venmo. As many of you may already know, using American Express as a direct funding source in the standard Venmo app isn't something that's available yet, but don't worry, there's a nifty workaround using Amex's Send and Split feature. Now, what this does is it lets you fund your payments through Amex and then seamlessly pay back via Venmo or PayPal. So, let's walk through how you can get up and running with this process. First, we'll head over to the American Express app. Make sure you've already got it downloaded and logged in. Once you're all set, navigate to the Account tab. You'll find it sitting neatly in the app's menu. This is where everything starts. Now look for the Send and Split feature among your account options. When you find it, go ahead and select it to initiate the enrollment process. Enrolling is crucial because it links this particular service with your Amex account. It's a straightforward process, and the app will guide you through the necessary steps to finalize this setup. You'll soon be able to enjoy the flexibility of Amex Send's remarkable features. Once that's complete, we're ready to link your Venmo or PayPal account. For this step, simply log into your preferred platform, either through its own app or website. By linking your accounts, you ensure that payments or splits done with Amex can smoothly transition into your Venmo or PayPal, which is incredibly convenient for handling personal or group expenses. A key highlight of using Amex Send and Split is its ability to let you split any pending or posted Amex purchase with other Venmo or PayPal users. So if you have an expense you'd like to share, this feature can be a real lifesaver. After you make a purchase, easily divide the cost among friends or family directly through the app. All parties involved will get the necessary notifications and instructions to settle their portions. It simplifies the splitting process so you can focus on what matters, enjoying your experience with the added promise of convenience. So, there you have it. You've successfully set up Amex Send via Venmo. This way, using the Send and Split feature can transform the way you handle expenses amongst your network. It's an intuitive system built to ease your financial interactions and bring peace of mind knowing American Express has your back at every step. Thanks for allowing me to guide you through this process, and I hope you find these tools enriching for your day-to-day needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content that streamlines your digital transactions.